Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. And today is Cruise Chatter 80. Whoa. 20 more than 100.
We've been doing this for a long time.
Yeah. Remember when you wanted to quit about 10 episodes ago?
I still do.
Should you buy cruise line stock?
With everything going on now.
Right, yeah. So the stocks that are all-time low, like under $10, like Carnival's is like $8 and something. I think NCL's is lower than that, like $6 and something. We didn't look up the numbers because by the time this video comes out,
it'll be changed.
They'll be done. It'll be changed. So like, why? You know, I look up the exact numbers. But this is something that we've been seeing a lot of our cruise friends do, though.
Yeah,
they're buying 100 shares. I
know Carnival and some other companies give you some special perks if you have 100 shares.
So I saw if you buy 100 shares, it depends on how long the cruise is and on the ship and all that, I guess. But you can get between $50 and $250 onboard credit if you have 100 shares or more.
Yeah.
So that's the perks of that. I mean, if we sailed, try to sail 3 times a year. It might not happen this year.
Mm-mm.
But, that could come in favor. But, you're spending, a decent amount of money. But yeah, I personally, if I had the money and we had the resources, I think we should. I think it'd be to buy, and I would buy it in Carnival because that's who we that's who we sail with.
I think we do have the money and
I know I didn't want to say that right out,
but so we're kind of hesitant because we don't know the future, I guess, of not cruise lines. I'm positive that cruise lines
it'll bounce back. No doubt about it.
So I wouldn't be hesitant in that way. But what I am hesitant about is just taking some money from our emergency fund and using it to buy stock.
Yeah, like $1,000. You know? I mean, it won't be that much, but it'll be close.
Yeah, and I mean, I guess that's the only thing holding us back right now is because we don't know what's happening in, like the world.
Sure.
We might need that money.
Right. That's the only reason why we might not buy it. But I think if you can and you can afford it, why not at this cheaper rate?
Yeah, I would say we're just starting our, we have some savings in the bank. Not enough to sustain us for a year or even maybe even 6 months. But we have a few months of,
right,
savings.
So
that's why we're a little bit more cautious, I think, about it.
Right. And so yeah, I mean, I think it's a good time to do it for sure. I mean, they're at a low, except for a lot of people's on jobs are uncertain if you're in certain fields.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's up to you, Yeah. But do you think it's a good?
Yeah, I think it's a good investment. I think you're going to get a return on it. I mean, I'm no financial analyst.
I mean, if let's just say if you buy it now at $8 a share, if it's $8, and then you buy 100 shares, and then
$100,
right? But then it goes up to like $30 a share.
You're great. You're gravy.
And you sell it.
Yeah.
I think it was up to like 20 something a share before.
50.
$50 a share. Yeah. Right. So you can make buco bucks.
Buku dollar. I do think it's going to take some time for the cruise lines to recover. But I think some of the great things that are going on right now are like Carnival is using their ships as a makeshift hospital. Right. Like, how great is that for their customers to see that?
Right. And and like I said, I feel like they will bounce back. And, but I do think it's a good time to buy the stock. If you have the money and the resources, I feel like you should.
Yeah. And you're set in other ways.
Right. And I think, I'm pretty sure, I know NCL is the lowest one, I think. I don't know that for sure.
It might be different.
But then someone will be on the comments saying, oh, well, this cruise line is lower. But, no, but, so yeah, I mean, Carnival is our brand, and so we, would buy in Carnival.
Yeah.
So, and I say yes.
So if you have bought it, drop a line below. If you're thinking about buying it, tell us, what's holding you back.
Right. Okay. Let us know, guys.
Bye.